Welcome back, 525. Everybody's favorite topic. Yeah, the deadline to file your taxes is closer than you might think. It is tomorrow. And we want to make sure that you're ready, even if you've waited this long. Steve Steger spoke with a tax professional to ask what you should prioritize now.
Let's talk a little bit about tax time. We're nearing that deadline. What are some of the big mistakes that you see people making toward the end of the deadline?
Many people rush during this time to try to get their tax return in. And in that process of trying to submit their tax return, they're moving so fast that most often they'll forget some things off their tax return. So the first thing that I would say to do is, number one, just file an extension today.
Let's talk about free filing. That's a question I've gotten a few times.
You can use the IRS free file program. This program is available to all states. You do have to qualify based off your income. It's about $84,000, give or take. And also keep in mind that's based on your adjusted gross income. So that means that even if you may have received a W-2 of $100,000, if you have some deductions, you may still qualify for that program. You can go to irs.gov and you can actually file for free there.
Speaking of deductions, what do you find that people often overlook when it comes to tax deductions?
I would say for families, the child and dependent care credit is the first one. And that's a way that you can take a deduction or a credit rather on your tax return based on amounts that you pay for nanny expenses, babysitting services throughout the year for your children or other qualified dependents. And also you can use this credit for, let's say, for instance, if you paid expenses when it comes to summer camps for your children, they may also qualify for this credit. If you're a teacher and you're listening right now, and of course, we know our teachers pay out of pocket for certain expenses, you can also claim educator expense credit on your tax return. And you can do this without itemizing. So that's also an option. If you're a small business owner and you're trying to figure out all of your deductions that you can take, many people often look the insurance, self-employed insurance premium deduction that you can take whether or not you itemize. And this could be a big deduction for so many small business owners.
I am a notorious procrastinator. My wife reminds me of that all the time. What do I do if I know I'm not going to be able to make it by April 15th?
I always tell people it's okay to file an extension, and it just really is. That's why it's out there. That is why it is available to you. So if you expect that you're going to owe money to the IRS, you need to also make a payment to the IRS on that date because your penalties are going to be based on any unpaid taxes. So actually the payments are more important than the filing when it comes to the penalty. So file the extension if you're not going to make it. But again, you do want to make a payment at that time because it doesn't extend the time to pay.